Hello, Namaste. Welcome to another new video of WinTrader. In this live video, I am going to show you the live performance of crude oil. How we can successfully use our trading software WinTrader in commodity market. As we know that our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and FOREX, and it's all working with the real-time data. So first I will show you how we can take a position after checking the confirmation. We already got a buy signal. You can see we got a this green arrow. This green arrow is the buy signal and the red one is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, the same time there is an alert. There is a pop-up message will display in your screen with the sound effect. The same details also you can see in the above dashboard. Also you can see the price and the green up arrow. The green one is the buy signal. So before taking the position, you have to always check the confirmation. You can be, let's check whether the signal is confirmed or not. We already got that buy signal. The first confirmation of the buy signal on a below dashboard, you can see price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation. If it is buy signal, then the price should be in buy zone. The second confirmation below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is there. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. That means if it is a buy signal, the bar should be in green color. So very easy. Following the signal is very easy and easy. First you have to check, wait for the signal to come. As per the signal, you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation, price should be in buy zone, and the on second confirmation below the arrow, the bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, the bar should be in green color. So we already got the confirmation and we enter in the market, and we got entry point is 8,369. We got a buy at 8,369, and our first target on below, you can see on below dashboard, you can see the target on left side, that you can see the three target as there. Sorry, there are three targets, and on the right hand side you can see that stop loss also. This is the trailing stop loss. So first target, we can wait for the first target. Our first target is 8,387. Our entry point is 8,369. Our first target is 8,387. That means 18 points. Our first target is 18 points. So let's wait whether it is achieving the target or not. And if it is trending market, then software gives a re-entry option also. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point and a new target also. In the re-entry suggestion box, it will display the new entry point and new target. So let's wait for the direct the first target. We already got a direct entry. Direct entry we got at 8,369, and our first target is 8,387. So let's wait for our first target. Our first target is 18 points. Second target is 8,402. 8,402 means our second target is 33 points, and third target is 8,470. 8,470 means our last target is 48 points total. So you can see we got our first target is achieved. That means our entry point, we got entry at 8,369, and our first target was 8,387. It's already achieved the target, first target. That means we already got 18 points. And in between you can see we got a re-entry also, 8,390. We got a buy signal, and the exit point is 8,408. So first target we already in that, as per the direct entry, we already got the first target. We already got 18 points in this buy signal. We got 18 points. That means 1,800 rupees we got profit. And we can wait for the second target. Second target is 8,402. That means if second target achieved, then we will get 3,300 rupees. And if all target has been achieved, then we will get 4,800 rupees in one lot. So it achieved the second target. Our second target is 8,402. It's already achieved the second target, and let's wait for the third target. Third target is 8,417. In between you can see that the re-entry target also achieved, and the third target also achieved. 8,000. The moment is too good, and the third target already achieved. 8,417 was our third target. So as for this signal, we got that buy signal at 8,369, and all target has been achieved. Our last target was 8,417. That means total in this signal we got 4,800 rupees in one lot. So it's following the signal, is following the software is very simple. There is no prediction. It's working with the real-time data. Whatever the market trend, the same you can say check it in our software. And the same strategy you can apply for all segments like MCX, NSE, FOREX, COMEX, Agri, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping trading, swing trading, and we'll get all that support also. Means normal process. If you are interested to purchase the software, after installing the software, we'll install the software in your system within 10 minutes, and we'll give a proper training session also how to use how to use the software and all the functions. Will get you will get a training session. After that, if there is any problem or if you need any technical support, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and you can contact me through WhatsApp or call. My number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number also, official number. You can call or message, and our website is www.wintraders.com, and in that there is a reviews pages there. Don't forget to check our reviews page, and in that website also there is a live support options there. And thank you for watching my video.